All right, so this video is for YouTube. So I just got back a radio strap from a customer. I've posted about this on Instagram, but I originally was using for my customers who are purchasing radio straps these trigger snaps from Buckle Guy. Buckle Guy makes quality stuff. He uses great metal. Everything feels solid. The coloration is nice. However, there's some kind of design flaw with the design of the trigger snaps in that they all start with this ball head. Companies like Tandy Leather, just about everybody who makes trigger snaps has kind of it's round when you're looking down at the top of it, but when you look to the side, it's flat and has a lot of contact surface with this metal receiver here, this metal saddle. Where Buckle Guy makes them with a rounded head, what happens is, that round ball only has that contact rim around the saddle piece, and as the components rotate together, it wears metal on metal, and eventually this bottom portion of the trigger snap pulls free and releases, in this case, firefighters' radio straps where they're holding their radios, and suddenly now their radio, is flopping around and in danger of getting lost. You can see here how this one is wearing through, and even when we rotate right down, like, ooh, that head is almost gone there. Okay, so this one is about to drop free and loose. So can't have that, of course, for my customers. So I am doing a replacement today for this. I am still using Buckle Guy because I like Buckle Guy. I like the quality. Okay, I like the way it feels. And but the bolt snap, I think, is a better design. Even though it appears rounded on the top, it still has that flatter contact surface on the top side, of the saddle. So my hope is that these will last for many, many, many years. Okay. Very unusual to have trigger snaps falling apart like that, but it has been happening quite a bit for me and for my customers. So if you are one of my customers who has a radio strap that has this older style trigger snap, okay, still sold by Buckle Guy, let me know. And if you're having an issue where it's wearing through, and you will at some point, I will replace them free of charge. Okay? All right, so I've already done one. I'm just going to get this other side done. Had a few questions lately, and I posted about it on my Instagram on what rivets I use. I use double cap rivets from Buckle Guy, okay, because I can match the coloration to all the hardware. It all matches. It looks great, okay. The Buckle Guy double cap rivets are very strong. They're sturdy as can be. I've never had any issue with those coming apart or anything. Okay, I fully trust these double cap rivets from Buckle Guy. Okay, so I'm going to put these in though. They come in different sizes. For radio straps and belts, a lot of times I'll use this 11 millimeter head. This is a very thick leather, and I'm joining two layers together, so I'm using the 15 millimeter length in the post. Okay. I'll top those off with a cap. And then use my setter. So this is the anvil made purpose-built for the double cap rivets, and has a middle piece in the anvil that you could swap out for the different size rivet heads. And then the actual setter, okay, also has a removable head, so I can swap out to fit the double cap rivet style head, okay, the size. All right, so make sure the bottom is nicely settled into the anvil. And with nice, direct, straight down hits. Give it a good feel. Yep, it's tight. It's good. It's all in line. Again, align with the anvil and straight down. You don't want to overdo it. You want to set them just so that they're tight, solid, and in line with each other. If I kept really smashing on it, then that post can kind of bend and move around weird. But there we are. This strap is ready to go back to the customer. All right. Thanks.